Hi students, today we are going to see about the estimating by product. So estimate the following product using the general rule. That is the first one we are going to see. So the number is given as 578 into 161. So first we have to estimate it and then we have to product. Okay. So estimating the following. So first we are going to estimate the numbers and then we are going to multiply it. So 578, as you already know, 7 is greater than 5. So it will become, the before number will become 6. So it will become 600. So the next one, 161. When you see the tens place, that is 6. So 6 is greater than 5. So it will become 200. So now we got 600 and 200. So when you multiply 600 and 200, we are getting what? Yes, 6 into 2 is 12. You write as it is, that one. Then the remaining zeros, you write it at the back. Then it's easy to multiply. If you go for step by step multiply, it is somewhat tedious and it will be confusing. So this one is easy. So 6 into 2 is 12. And then remaining zeros, you just collect it and write it at the back. Okay, so this is the J sum we finished. Next one, the D sum. How we have to do this one is 9250 into 29 is given. So for the first one, we are going to round off to the 9000, that is to the thousands, and next one we are going to round off to the tens. Why we are going to do like that? Because it's given by the following product using general rule is given. So it's given as general rule, because of that we are going to do like that. If it's given round off to the nearest tens and then multiply, round off to the nearest hundreds and then multiply, means no need to do like that. You have to round off to the nearest hundreds and then multiply. But here the thing is general rule is given. So general rule means according to that we have to do. So 9250 is to the nearest this 1000. Okay, so the 1000 we are making. So 2 is less than 5, so it will become 9000. Then the 29 to the nearest tens. So 9 is greater than 5. So it will become 30. So finally we will get 9. We are going to multiply. So the same way, 9 3s are 27 we have. 9 3s are 27 we have. So then we multiply 9 3s are 27. What you will get? You will write in 27. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 zeros are there. Okay. So all the 4 zeros you are putting that. So you get 2,70,000. So this is the estimating by product. Today we are going to see about the prime and composite number. What is a prime number? A number having 1 and the number itself as a factor is called the prime number. So it will have 1 and the number itself. So for example, I am taking 19. So 1 and 19 is the only factor for the 19. Next one is the composite number. A number having more than one factor is called the composite number. So when you see here 4 will have more than 2 factors. Okay, more than 2 factors. That is the composite. More than 2 factors, that is called the composite number. That is a number 1 and the number itself. Then there is another number. So that is called the composite number. So we are saying 4 is a composite number. So the next one is test of divisibility of numbers. First one is divisibility by 10. A number which has 0 in its ones place, then it is divisible by 10. So when you see the ones place means the ending number. If it has 0, then it is divisible by 10. Without calculating itself, we can say it is divisible by 10. So for example, I am taking 110 by 10. Then when you are getting, it's 11. So 70 by 10, we are getting 7. Then the next one is divisibility by 5. A number which has 0 or 5 in its ones place, then it is divisible by 5. So for 5, you can have either 0 or 5 in its ones place. Then it is divisible by 5. So next one is divisibility by 2. A number which has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place, then it is divisible by 2. So for example, I am taking 10 by 2, that is 5, 12 by 2, that is 6. Here it's ending with 0, here ending with 2. If you take 14, it will come, 16, it will come. Any number which is end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is divisible by 2. Next one is divisibility by 3. If the sum of the digit is the multiple of 3, then it is divisible by 3. A number is given, so that is 57. 5 is a one digit and 7 is another digit. So 5 plus 7 we are adding. So when we are adding 5 plus 7, we are getting 12. So that 12 is the multiple of 3 we are checking. Yes, it's a multiple of 3. 4 3s are 12. So finally we can say 57 is divisible by 3. That is how we can check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. So the next one is divisibility by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. So a number, it should be divisible by 2 as well as 3, then we can say it is divisible by 6. So for example, it's 48. Here, the number ends with 8. So the number ends with, it is divisible by 2. 48. So 4 plus 8 we can take. So 4 plus 8 when you take, it will become 12. So 12 is a multiple of 3. So it is divisible by 2 as well as it is divisible by 3. So therefore, 12 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, we can say 48 is divisible by 6.